Assalamualaikum. Hi, I will be making chocolate chip muffins. My mom will not be in this video today, so you guys can call me Commander in Chef Kabir. Let's get into the ingredients. This is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. One and a half teaspoon of baking powder. And this is vanilla extract. This is melted butter. Coke. These are 2 eggs. A little bit more than a half cup of sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar. Okay.
Try brown sugar.
These are chocolate chips, as much as you like. You can use as many as you want. Now to make the batter, you have to mix whatever is in the bowl that I just put in. We're gonna be adding cinnamon for really good taste. We're going to be adding cinnamon for awesome, great taste. Now we're gonna mix that too. And now we're gonna mix that too. I'm using an ice cream scooper. I'm putting a lot because I want them to really pop out. You have to fill it up first, then you put it in the oven. And we are also going to be putting some chocolate chips over it. At least these much. People don't usually put frosting on muffins, but since this is a tea time snack for kids or something, you can do anything. So what we're going to do, yummy! Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the recipe, and comment down below if you like your former president of this cooking channel, my mom, better, or Commander Chef Kabir.